here is the Olympus OZ Classic 105, also call it at OZ105R. The overall conditions. Here is the battery compartment. Just open it. You're using one CR123A battery like this. Sorry. The next thing is by pulling here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. And here is the film. For the film, we need to put at here. Here's the film compartment. Then we just slide from the top to the bottom. Then pull the film tip to here. Then make sure that your film is flat. And we just close it, and it will auto load. Okay, when it stops the sound, then we just slide here to on it. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. If it show like E, means that you didn't load the film properly. Then we just like adjust it again. Okay. Then now the flash setting is like fully auto. Here's the zoom button. Zoom in, zoom out. Here is the shutter button. Here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder at the center point here, got a dot. Then we just use the dot to aim to the object that we want to focus. Half press it. Okay, light up like this. The green light stands for focus successfully. Then we just click it. And if you aim to the dark place, yeah, it will have a orange light, which means that it will trigger the flash. Okay, then here is a flash setting. Now it's fully auto. While you can use it like this. This one is auto S. It's like red dye reduction lah, but personally feel there's nothing difference. Off the flash, fill in flash, which means it's also force flash. Night mode, the shutter speed will be slow. Then auto. Then here's the timer. Click again. Yeah. Then also same. Aim to the object you want to focus. Half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. Means like the light at the back there is like light up. It doesn't blink. Means that it's okay. If it's blinking, which means that either it didn't ready or it can't focus. Okay. When it's almost there, it will like start blinking. The timer is like around 10 seconds like that. Okay. Then here's the panorama mode setting. When you switch down, it will become narrow. Oops. Yeah, like that. Normal will be like this. Okay. Then when you want to off it, just push it, let it drop. And we just slide back. Okay. Next thing is to adjust the date function. Okay. So it have the date imprinting function. And we just click the mode. Okay. Click mode for a while. Okay, then we'll start blinking like this. Then we click the set to adjust. Now is to adjust the year. Okay. Then the month. Oh, sorry. Okay. Click again to move to the date. Okay, here's the time. Okay. Then click again, will be okay. Then you can choose the format by yourself. This one is the year, month, date. And click again. This one is the month, date, year. Date, month, year, date and time, and off it. So it depends on your usage. You just like adjust it by yourself lah. Okay. And the overall is like this. When you should finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.